What's going on YouTube? Ty with xking.com hit you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to discuss real quickly why is the best reason to have a blog. Why you should have one. What's the number one reason? And my number one reason is this. My number one reason is because I have something else that I can depend on to make me some money in the future. Now, right now, I've been blogging hardcore for about 5 months now, and my content has not been ranked at all, but I believe that in the future it will. I believe that if I keep running content, if I keep on putting new blog posts on my blog every other day, I will get rewarded for my actions. And it feels good knowing that it's been 5 months now, and I still run a full-time job. And it's been 5 months now, and I did 30 blog posts 5 months ago. I did another 30 blog posts 3 months ago, about 4 or 5 months ago. So once it gets more time and matures, that I'm starting getting traffic to that blog. So it feels good knowing that I have something else to rely on than the job. Because the job, it's, you know, they're real petty sometimes, and they get on my nerves, and I hate working full time, knowing I have my son out, you know, at a daycare, pretty much, and you know, it sucks that I can't see him like I want to. So that's why the one reason I started the blog, to replace my job's income. I still work full time now, but you know, I do the blog on the side, YouTube channel on the side. It takes a lot of my time up, but still, I got to keep on going with it. No, I have not made any money on the blog at this point, but I will in the future. So my number one reason to have a blog is the potential, the money it can make. It's the number two, that it can replace my job's income. You know, you gotta have something in the background other than your full-time job. You gotta have something. You gotta have 2 or 3, 4 things going while you working a job. You can't rely on your job all the time, because you lost your job. What 9 times out of 10, what you're gonna do? Find another job. So you have a job, but have something on the side that you can build today, and maybe next year you can reap a reward. A blog is a good thing to do now while you're working full time. A YouTube channel is something you can do right now while you're still working full time. You can do it part time and give it time, and give it months, and a couple years, it will grow up to replace your job's income. So I'm glad I started a blog. And you know what? If I get fired today, I wouldn't be upset. I would be like, you know what? I'll go on home, get on my computer, start cranking out a bunch of videos, do some blog posts, promote my blog, and keep it moving. Find something else in between time until my blog hits that mark. And that's the reason that's the number one reason to have a blog, is to have a secondary income, is to also help people as well on my blog as well. Give people information that they don't know about, the researching, help people in the process. But in the process of helping people, I want to be helped as well. So I created the blog as a secondary income. YouTube channel is to help people, but if you want a secondary income that you can work part-time, that you can do from home, you can do on your phone, do on the road, start a blog. Start a blog. Below the video, I have a link to Bluehost. Get your hosting company. If you get Bluehost, you get a free domain. Pick a domain, pick a niche, and start writing content. Start doing YouTube videos. This YouTube video I'm shooting on now is from my cell phone. On my lunch break, while I'm at work, building my side business. On my time. Take your phone out, shoot you 2 or 3 videos per day, post it on YouTube, which costs you nothing to run, and nothing to host, and nothing to upload. It's absolutely free to do. So that's the number one reason you have a blog, because you want to help people, of course, put out good content and help people in the world, but also you want to have a secondary income. You want to have something else you can build on the side rather than your full-time job. So that's it for my video. I love having a blog. I'm glad I'm happy I started one. Once you have a blog for 4 or 5 months, you'll be happy you have one. Now you have something else to rely on. My name is Ty from xking.com. Thanks for watching my video.